Hello Nina, this will be some video feedback for your milestone 1. Nina, this is the PDF that you posted in the discussion board. And so I'll look at that first and then I'll look at your Illustrator files. Now I realize that you redid this based on your colleagues' examples. And that's great, that's what a little gentle competition does. In general, I like it. I like that you use just one image, well, not two images, but they blend together very well. A couple things. I would consider extending, if you can, the image, this image off the top. Avoid using bands, color solids, or maybe bleed it off the bottom. You can consolidate this information on one line, I think. It doesn't have to be large. Consider other contemporary ways of adding contact information to a print advertisement. That might include a dummy QR code. I like the relax, restore, rejuvenate. I think you could push it. Look for examples of concrete poetry. I don't know, maybe concrete poetry is not the thing, but just consider your type, and you don't have to make shapes out of it necessarily, but you could space the letters out so that it suggests what the words mean. Relax, maybe has a different tempo than the other words, and so forth. Think too about what you want the viewer to see first, second, or third. Right now, my eye at least moves around the page, and leading is important. You don't want letters to collide, as in this F and P. So, those things, contrast to scale. Right now, the type is all one size, which is good, but perhaps a little monotonous. Consider making some of this really big, and maybe some of it really small. And you can illustrate these words, by moving the type around. And I'm not suggesting something exhaustive, but spending some time on it will get you a good result. So Nina, that was your PDF. Now here is, I think, the most recent version of your Illustrator file, which I will open up shortly here. That is Ben Jones, by the way. And now here again is that issue with embedding versus linking files. Okay, so I'm going to click through these and note that I'll be left with a bunch of boxes with X's in them. What that means is that you've linked to an image file. What we want to do is we want to embed them. So I'm going to create a new layer here. I'm going to move it up towards the top. And I'm going to go up off screen to File, Place. I don't know if you can see that. Command P. Look around for something suitable. I'm going to use this web banner GIF. Now here's where you have to be really careful. Down here in the Illustrator interface is this little thing called link. By default, it is clicked on, okay? So when you open up Illustrator for the first time, it is clicked on. That will, any image you place is going to be linked. Make sure it is off, 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 off. Then you can go ahead and place. Now here's an important difference that you may notice. This embedded file doesn't have a X through it. That indicates that it is embedded. Now you can do everything you can with a linked file, including reducing it or enlarging it. But I just wanted to show you that you need to learn to embed your files.